Welcome, beautiful souls. Today, we embark on a journey of the heart, a journey that transcends the physical and dives deep into the spiritual. Today, we delve into a love so profound, so powerful, the twin flame connection. This is not just any love, it's a bond that defies logic and reason. This journey, especially across the miles, can feel like a delicate dance. Each step, each move, is filled with meaning and purpose. But fear not, for you are not alone. The universe has a way of bringing twin flames together, no matter the distance. Together, we'll navigate this path. We'll explore the challenges and the triumphs, the highs and the lows. We'll uncover the secrets to making a long-distance twin flame relationship thrive. Communication, trust, and unwavering faith are key. Get ready to embrace the magic. The magic of knowing that love knows no boundaries. Finding your twin flame is like finding your missing piece. It's a connection that feels destined, written in the stars. It's a soul recognition that transcends physical boundaries. It's as if you've known this person for lifetimes. The pull towards this person is undeniable. It's a magnetic force that draws you together, no matter the obstacles. It's magnetic, electric, a feeling deep within your core. It's a love that ignites your very soul. But what happens when this profound connection is separated by distance? How do you keep the flame alive when miles apart? How do you nurture a love that feels so close, yet so far? Stay tuned as we explore the answers and guide you on this incredible journey. The twin flame connection is unlike any other. It's a profound and mystical bond that transcends the ordinary. It's a bond formed in the cosmos, written in the stars long before we were born. Two souls split and scattered across time and space, destined to find their way back to each other. This journey is often filled with challenges and growth. This connection isn't just about romance. It's about spiritual growth, self-discovery, and an unbreakable bond that goes beyond the physical realm. It's about becoming the best version of yourself. Imagine looking into the eyes of another and seeing yourself reflected back. It's a mirror to your soul, revealing your deepest truths. Your joys, your sorrows, your fears, all mirrored in their soul. This reflection helps you understand and heal parts of yourself you never knew existed. This is the essence of the twin flame connection. It's a journey of mutual discovery and enlightenment. It's a deep understanding, an unspoken language that only you two share. Words become unnecessary when your souls are in sync. This connection is powerful, yes, but it's also about balance. It's about finding harmony within yourself and with each other. It's about recognizing your individuality while celebrating your shared journey. Each step you take together is a testament to your bond. You are two unique individuals on a shared path, learning and growing together, even when miles apart. Distance means little when souls are intertwined. Communication is key in any relationship, but it's the lifeline of a long-distance twin flame connection. When miles separate you, words become your most powerful tool. Your words become bridges, carrying your love, your thoughts, your essence across the miles. They are the threads that weave your hearts together, despite the physical distance. Share your day, your dreams, your fears. Open up about the little things and the big things. Let your partner into your world. Let your words paint pictures in each other's minds. Describe the details, the colors, the emotions. Make your partner feel like they are right there with you. Remember, communication is a two-way street. It's not just about talking, but also about listening. Listen with your heart as intently as you speak. Show empathy, understanding, and patience. Be present in your conversations, even when it's just through a screen. Give your full attention and make your partner feel valued. Feel the energy behind every word, every emoji. These small gestures carry big emotions. Let technology be your ally, connecting hearts across the miles. Use video calls, messages, and social media to stay close. Make time for virtual dates. Share meals together, even if it's through a screen. Cook the same recipe and enjoy it together. Watch the same sunset from different locations. Get creative. Share experiences that make you feel connected. The key is to maintain a sense of togetherness, even when physically apart. Keep the bond strong with consistent and heartfelt communication. Trust and patience, the unshakable foundation of any long-distance twin flame relationship. These are the pillars that will support your journey no matter how far apart you are. Trust in the connection you share and have patience with the process. Remember, every step, every moment brings you closer to each other. Stay strong, beautiful souls. Your love knows no bounds.